everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am here to share the Chanel 25S collection that hit stores a few weeks ago now, but the first weekend that I got in there weren't too many items, so I went back a second time, and so I'm putting all the footage that I got here, as well as to share with you some of the pieces that I found, and I've been told that things are still coming in. The first one I am trying on here may look familiar because it was in a previous collection. This next top handle flat bag was one that I really wanted to get, but in a smaller size. They only had it in the larger size when I went in, and for reference, it is quite big, so you can fit a laptop in here. I also really loved this crossbody. This is a mini flap, but it has caviar and adjustable straps. This one was a little bit weird, but I tried it on anyway. They did have a lot of other totes, as you can see in this one. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the first bag that I tried in different sizes. And there were a lot of bags and availability in stores, just nothing that stood out to me. This mini bag was quite interesting. It was slouchy and have an adjustable strap. This flap bag was so pretty and sparkly, and they also have a lot of SLGs in pastels. I did pick up something, so let's do the unboxing. I just came back from the store, which I'll have inserted some of the clips that I took there. This is from the 25S collection, and I tried on a few things, but I ended up only picking up something small. So I'm just going to show it to you. Comes in this little box, and they did not have the thing that I wanted, so I ended up almost buying something else, but at the last second I decided against it, which I think is good judgment. And yep, she tied it very well. So it's an SLG. To reveal the pastel yellow. So they had a lot of pastel yellow items, pastel blue, pink, and green. This one is in the caviar card holder. So I just thought it was super cute, and it has the CC right here. And then one card slot in the front, two card slot in the back, and then one in the middle. There were actually a lot of new card holder like things. So there's some that are the snap ones with a zipper now. So if you want to go check it out. I don't have a yellow Chanel piece, so this is the first one, and I'm glad I got it in this pastel yellow. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.